Hello everybody, it is I like conservative quick collector. Welcome back to the channel. And if there's one thing I love, it's silver. Everything from the smallest silver dime to the biggest troy ounce. If it's made of silver, I will put it in my jar. Even the sound it makes is different from modern day clad coins. What if I was to tell you that silver was more than just a metal for coins? That's right. Silver has tons of interesting uses, and I'm going to share a few with you. Obviously, everybody knows silver because of coins and jewelry. I'm sure a lot of you out there have silver wedding bands, and gold is the same way. Gold has been used for coins and jewelry. But what if I was to tell you that silver is used in the automotive industry? More than 36 million ounces of silver is used in car manufacturing. Every electrical connection in a modern car is made with silver-coated power contacts. Everything from, opening and closing the trunk to opening and closing the power windows. If it has power, it has a silver-coated power connector to help conduct the electricity. It can even be used in high-powered, high-quality spark plugs. High-performance spark plugs, rather. Silver is also used in solar technology as well. Silver powder is turned into a paste and put on a wafer, so to speak. Silver is the world's best conductor of electricity. And per unit, they say there's about 20 grams of silver per electrical solar power unit. Because silver is such a good conductor, it's used in electronics. It's used in circuit boards, in TV screens, and several other electrical uses that silver is in. It's in everything from the phone that I'm currently using to the computer, my laptop, to the printer downstairs. Each and every one of them has silver and gold in it because they conduct electricity very well. It's also used in soldering because of the same effect there of it being a good conductor. And solder actually used to be made of lead, but now that we have figured out lead is toxic, they use metals, and silver is one of them. Solder isn't necessarily, it can be used in electrics or electronics rather, but it can also be used to put metal pipes together as well. If the pipe has a very low melting point, and silver has a kind of a lower melting point. Soldering refers to attaching two metal pipes together below 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, and silver blazing means you're attaching them at above 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. What I'm going to blaze right over is silver's all the medical stuff in silver, because YouTube took my video down and gave me a warning the last time I talked about anything medical and silver related. So silver does have some uses, and it's technically nano silver, but I'm gonna just skip over its medical uses because I don't want YouTube flagging this video. But because of said benefits, it's used in water purification. Silver ions and oxygen act as a powerful sanitizer. It's used in community water supplies, pools, hospitals, anything that requires a large thing of water that needs to be purified. They use the ions of the silver and oxygen. Silver actually used to be used in tableware. It's called silverware for a reason, because they used to be silver plated. And funny enough, I was in Tennessee a few months back, and the place I was at actually sold old silverware or silver-plated silverware. I was actually going to buy a fork and a spoon maybe, but because they were just silver-plated, it wasn't worth my time and they were only $5. If I want something silver, it needs to be more than just plated because you can easily melt the plated off and take that silver and make a little silver nugget, and that's like pure silver. You'll see it in forks, knives, spoons, maybe plates, tea kettles. Silver has long-lasting properties, and it's been used in tableware since the 14th century. And the crazy thing is, a lot of things in your house used to be made of silver. Everything from your hollowware, from your bowls, your jugs, your teacups, your coffee pots, from silverware to your candlesticks to antique hand mirrors, hairbrushes, and combs, from everything from trophies and awards to, again, coins and jewelry. Silver used to also not be over $30 an ounce, too. A price per gram of silver as of recording this is $1.23. Per ounce, you're looking at $38.14. And per kilogram, it says it's $1,226.23. So, common household items being made of stainless steel nowadays instead of silver makes perfect sense. And another thing that silver is used in, I forgot to mention, is dentistry. Fillings and stuff like that can be made of silver as well. Another surprising thing that could be made of silver are brass instruments, like flutes. If you have a silver flute, it's 92.5% silver, and then the rest of it is other alloys. But if you had a flute and it looks like it's made of silver, it probably is. Trumpets and trombones have also been known to be made of said precious metal. Also, another thing I should have mentioned with the automotive is that catalytic converters can have silver in it. They can have silver and platinum and other precious metals, which is why they are the most commonly stolen item out of your vehicle, the catalytic converter, because they can be melted down and sold for their precious metals. And I've seen some pretty creative ways people have tried to stop the thieving of their catalytic converters, like barbed wire, and says like get a real job, and it's actually kind of funny the creative ways people have tried to stop getting the catalytic converter stolen. That's pretty much all I have on some interesting facts about silver. I'm sure I'm missing a few. If there's any more interesting facts about silver, let me know in the comments below. You also know to like, comment, subscribe, be sure and hit that bell icon while you're at it. Till next time, I'm the Conservative Coin Collector. I'm signing off. So long, everybody.